If you're always hungry 2 hours after breakfast, this smoothie might change your mornings. It's filling, high in protein, and takes less than 5 minutes to make. You only need a few simple ingredients. Start with fresh strawberries for fiber and natural sweetness. They're perfect for a healthy smoothie. Add half a banana to make it creamy without too much sugar. Greek yogurt keeps this smoothie high in protein so you stay full longer. Chia seeds help with digestion and keep cravings down. Then add unsweetened almond milk. Blend until smooth and creamy. See how it's transforming? Perfect, it's ready. This is honestly the best part. Healthy breakfasts really don't have to taste boring. This smoothie helps me avoid snacking and keeps my mornings simple. So good. It's the perfect morning boost. Save this recipe for your next busy morning.